Ever wonder how a simple $5 coffee can end up costing you $40 by the time you get home? If you're banking with Patriot Bank, you know that sinking feeling when an unexpected bill hits or a math error in your checkbook leads to a notification about an overdraft fee. I've been there, and I've spent the time digging through their policies and testing their systems so you don't have to. Here are the most effective ways to set up your account to ensure you never pay a $35 penalty for a small mistake again. The first, and in my opinion, most reliable method is linking a secondary Patriot Bank account for linked account transfers. I set this up by connecting my basic savings account to my primary checking. Now, if I swipe my card for an amount that exceeds my balance, the bank automatically pulls the exact difference from my savings. The best part? If you have their rewards or dividend checking, these transfers are often free. Even on other account types, the small transfer fee is significantly cheaper than a full-blown overdraft charge. If you don't keep a large cushion in savings, you should look into a personal line of credit. This acts like a safety net attached to your checking account. When your balance hits zero, the bank treats the overage as a small loan rather than a failed transaction. You'll pay a bit of interest on the amount you borrow, usually around 13% to 18% APR, but when you consider that interest on $20 is only a few cents, it's a massive win compared to a flat $35 fee. For those who prefer a no-safety net approach, there's the opt-out method. By law, banks can't charge you for overdrafts on one-time debit card or ATM transactions unless you specifically opt in. I personally prefer to have my card declined at the register rather than being allowed to spend money I don't have and getting charged for it later. You can check your status in the Patriot mobile app or call a branch to ensure you haven't accidentally opted into their courtesy pay program for debit transactions. Lastly, I highly recommend setting up low balance alerts through their digital banking portal. I have mine set to ping my phone the second my balance drops below $100. This gives me a manual heads up to move money around before a scheduled bill hits, which is the ultimate way to stay ahead of the game. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.